If I don't know English, what are the five things I will start doing right now so that I can become a fluent speaker in the next 30 days? Fifth one is connection. Again, it's very important. Cartoons, vlogs, and these three are enough. So, this is my diary. Second, Raj Shamani. If I was a beginner, these two are same, you can say. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Akku Galaxy. My name is Akriti Gupta and here we learn how to master our communication skills. And in this video, we are going to know how to speak English in just 5 simple steps. So let's jump to the video. If I don't know English, the first thing I will do is to divide spoken English into 5 parts. First, listening. Second, reading. Third one is writing. Fourth one is speaking. Very, very, very important. This part is amazing and it's very important. Fifth one is connection. Again, it's very important. Okay, first one is listening. What to listen? Everyone is saying listen, listen, listen because listening is the part of spoken English. What to listen? Okay, when I was a beginner and still what I'm doing is I listen to podcast, cartoons, vlogs, and these three are enough. And sometimes I go to songs and movies in English, of course in English. So, let's talk about which podcast channel is good. Actually, every single one is good. Okay, but what I watch? First of Jay Shetty, second Raj Shamani, third one is Beer Biceps. Okay. And for vlog channel, for English vlog channel, I recommend you Kelly Korea. Second one is Bose Slow English, and that's amazing. You can go through any songs in English, just you have to repeat the lyrics, and that's it. And if I tell you about the cartoons, in cartoon, I usually watch Peppa Pig and sometimes Jig and Sharko. But nowadays, I don't get time. But when I was a beginner, I literally watch hours and hours that cartoon, and literally that makes my English very fluent. Second one is reading. What to read? Newspaper, magazines, storybooks, or other. If I have to choose, if I was a beginner, this storybooks, short storybooks. Why? Because its language is so easy so that you can understand it very well. And when you start understanding these books, you can go through another. First, I will show you how this is looking. Like here you can see in 2 pages, story will be finished and with simple words that you can understand very well. And after that, when you start understanding this book, go through to this book. This is 12 rules for life. This is my first self-help books and this amazing. And after that, you can go through this. Like these two are same, you can say. I have 2 books. I have read this and I'm reading this nowadays. Third one is writing. This is my amazing part. And you will not believe this will become your amazing part too if you become consistent to this work. So this is my diary and I have made the front amazing, cute so that I can pick it every single day and write my all the thoughts, whatever I have experienced today. Because this have become my job. I have to write. If I am feeling good, if I am feeling bad, whatever I have experienced today, I have to write. So yeah, this makes me consistent towards any work. If you are consistent towards one work, you will become consistent towards any single work, So yeah, this is the first thing which make me consistent. Fourth one is speaking. This is very, 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 very important as I have told you. So, and you know what? People used to skip this part, which is very important, super important. Why anyone can skip this? Okay, so what to do in speaking? Record yourself. There are two types of recording. First, recording in your closed room, and second one is recording in public. First one is for beginner, and second one is also for beginner. Okay, so if you're a total beginner, if you don't have any word to say in front of camera or in front of mirror, so what you can do, you have to record yourself in a closed room, because you have to make the base. You have to know some words, some sentences, and after 1 or 2 weeks you have to go outside. I'm not saying after that you can go outside. I'm saying after 1 or 2 weeks, after lots of practice, you have to go outside in between people and start recording yourself. Fifth one is interaction with people. So how you can interact with people? Like, you just go outside and say a random person hello. It may be possible that they reply you again hello, and you can definitely go and start talking with them. But sometimes it may be risky, because sometimes if they are doing something important, and if you are disturbing them, then it may be risky. So what you can do for that, you can just install any English application for talking. And yeah, I'm understanding you what you wanted to say. No English application are totally free. There is an application which is totally free, which I'm using, which is Be Angrez. This application is totally free. You can just connect with random people and start talking with them, and totally free, no time limit, nothing. Because I have also used a lot of application which gives you time limit, like 1 or 2 talks, and after that you have to get the paid version. But here there is nothing like that, and this application is amazing. This is not any type of paid promotion. This is my experience, which I have experienced when I started learning English. These are the 5 things I'll start doing right now if I have to become a fluent speaker in the next 30 days. So that's all for today. See you later.